cow egg, and they have meat here. So I just ordered something now. I want to pay. This is what I want. You guys can see.
Get the bang bang, you. Try it on the sing so. Let them know.
It's Die Heartbeat.
So I want to make owo soup. In case you don't know, owo soup is a traditional soup in Nigeria, from the delta part of Nigeria. Owo soup is a traditional soup they prepared when they are doing a traditional marriage. For example, marriage introduction, when they are doing also circumcision. This is the special soup for the Urhobos. If you know the Urhobos, they are from Warri. You must have heard of Warri from Nigeria. So this is the special soup they make. So today I want to teach you people how they prepare this delicious soup from Delta State, to be precise, the Urhobos. So these are my ingredients that I have. You have your pepper, which is this one. Your pepper, I'm going to blend this into powder. Then you have also the potash. This is potash. This is potash, of which they use to prepare the owo soup. And this is crayfish. This is dry crayfish. I'm going to blend this also into powder. Then this is starch. Starch is a cassava flour. It's called starch. This is what we prepare to eat the owo soup. And also I have the principal things in this soup is palm oil. This is palm oil, which is very, very important in this soup. In case if you don't know palm oil, I'm going to put a picture of it on the video for you guys to see. Yeah, there's palm oil, like I said, and you have to prepare it with dry smoked fish. These are smoked fish. You guys can see. You can use any dry smoked fish of your choice. This is all I have. You guys can see them. And I have cow leg as well. This is my cow leg that I will use. And I have beef. So these are all the ingredients that I need for my owo soup. So right now, let's get into the preparation. So firstly, what I want to do, I will heat water because I need to wash my cow leg very well. You guys can see these stains. You can see there are some black stains on it. So I need to remove all that from my cow leg. Wash it very, very well. Then I'm going to soak my smoked fish with boiled water as well. Yeah, so let's get into this video. So right now I have washed the cow leg. You guys can see it very well. That is so clean now. You guys can see that I have really washed it clean. So I want to add water to it. Then I'm going to add seasoning cube. Put 2 seasoning cube. Then I'm going to add little potash, which is native salt as well. Why I want to put this one too, because the cow leg sometimes is very, very hard. So I just need to put little potash to cook faster, because I'm going to cook this for 1 hour for it to be soft. So I'm going to add little to it. Like this to my cow leg. So that's it. After that, I'm going to add water. I'm adding water. This is boiled water. Then I'll cover to cook about 30 minutes. When it's cooked about 30 minutes, I'm going to add my my beef to it, because I don't want the beef too soft. That is why I did not put the two together. So I will allow the cow leg to cook for about 30 to 40 minutes first before adding the beef to it. This my pepper and my crayfish. So this is my smoked fish. I want to put them here. Add this boiled water just to soak this. Like so. So I'm going to leave it to soak for some time, then before bringing it out. So this has been cooking for hours now, as you guys can see. So right now what we want to do, I want to add my beef to it. This is it, you can see it's very soft. From this you can know that the meat is the cow leg is very soft now, you guys can see. So right now I want to add my beef to it. I'll stir it together. Then after adding this now, I will cover, leave to cook for like another 20 minutes before I'll add my fish to it. I'll leave it. I'm not adding oil. It's okay like this because I eat alone. My hubby don't eat this, so I don't know how long it will take me to finish this. So that is it now. I'm going to cover, leave to cook again for like 20 minutes, then before I'll add my fish. So this is about after 20 minutes. So everything is well cooked. My meat, the beef is cooked, you guys can see, and my cow leg. So I want to add my crayfish inside. Turn the crayfish inside around as well. I'm going to add seasoning cube. For my ogo, I don't use salt. I only use native salt. So I'm going to add this to it like so. Then I'll add pepper like so, just like this, because I don't like pepper or that. So I'm going to stir this. Then it's now time to add our fish, our smoked fish. Then now I'll add my palm oil. I'll stir it together. Then I'll cover this, leave it to boil so that everything can cook together. Wow, you guys can see this. So this is it. The oil I've mixed, you can see it has mixed with the meat, and it's very light. So when ogo is light, it's not ogo, you need it very thick. I want to add the native salt to it. You just need to be careful so that it's not too much. When you are adding it, you see that will start foaming. Yeah, you test to see if it is okay. So right now, for that thickness, I need this cassava flour. I'm going to put in a bowl like this. Then I'll mix it with water. This together. Is it liquid like this? So I need to add native salt because it's not enough. So test again to see. Yeah, it's okay now. So all I need to do now is to turn this inside. As I'm turning it, I'm stirring it very fast. I'm trying to stir it very fast. Then you will see the thickness of my soup. The starch is now going to make the soup very thick, because owo need to be very, very thick. I just wish you guys are here to eat this with me. This is so yummy, guys. So you just leave to cook for like 5 minutes. So guys, this is after about 5 minutes. This is what your owo should look like. So right now I'm going to drop it, and when you are through, don't cover it, because if you cover it, it's going to be very, very liquid. You just have to open it. When it's hot, you don't cover it. After, as when you touch the pot that is no longer hot, then you can cover it. So right now I want to prepare my starch. The starch is what we use in eating this owo soup. So that is what I want to prepare, and I want to show you guys how they prepare starch. I need a bowl like this and a frying pan. You need a frying pan. You can use a pot, anyone you want. You want to make sure it's not too liquid, because if it is too liquid, it will not be good. So you don't want it too hot, just little heat. You don't overheat your fire, just reduce it, little heat. I'll turn this on my frying pan, inside my frying pan, like so. Add palm oil. This is to change the color of your starch to yellow. You guys are going to, and you keep on stirring like this, non-stop. You just keep on doing this non-stop. Do it faster, faster at this stage. So I took it out of the fire because I don't want it to be overheat. I thought the oil was too much, but no, it's okay. So guys, this is the owo soup. I hope you guys like this recipe. If you do, give it a like. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button as well, and the notification bell. And I will see you guys next in my kitchen. Enjoy your meal. Bye.